So good morning. It's a really cold day today. We've had a lot of frost overnight. I think I picked the wrong helmet to wear out, but to be honest, it was the one I could grab. I'm kind of putting where my money, I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm getting out and enjoying this bike. I got to put the mileage on it. I got to get it up to 500 miles or 600 miles, I think, and then I can give it a bit of a service, and then it's good to go. I can start revving it a bit harder and enjoying it off-road then. But until then, I'm just going to run the engine in, do as it says in the manual, and just give it the respect it deserves for now, because it's going to have a bit of a punishing when I get past that running period. So yeah, this is where we're at. Obviously, I've mentioned the reason I bought this bike was to have a reliable bike that I can get out on and just grab it, go, and then put it away when I'm done, and that's what I'm doing now. This is the test, realistically. Icy stuff all over the road. Oh, anyway, yeah, the other thing is I need to get out and start using my camera more, because I've got a Panasonic Lumix S5. Now, most people got by an A7 S3, I think it is, Sony and all that kind of stuff, but I went for this Panasonic one because it was a little bit cheaper, but you know, a really good quality camera. But the thing is, I don't know how to use it. I went to the Aberdeen Park races, well, last year now, because we're in January 24, and yeah, I couldn't figure out how to turn the thing onto, like, you know, a quick burst shot. So yeah, I had a bit of fun there. And then when I was taking pictures, they were all blurry, and every now and then I would catch one that was pretty good, but there's no good. It's no good having sort of potluck with the camera. You know, you need to learn how to use it, and that's where I'm at now. So today I'm going up to the Henrhyd Waterfalls, or waterfall rather, and I'm going to have a bit of a play with the camera, take some photographs, have a go at editing photos, and just trying to learn. You know, if I get anything decent, I'll put it up in another video, but yeah, I kind of want to have purpose. I don't really like the idea of just jumping on the bike, going for a ride, talking crap, and then putting the bike away. I think what I'd like to do is go have a bit of fun, like get something out of the ride, you know, just learn something, and then I've had a good ride out in my head. It's not just a ride for a ride's sake, although that is good sometimes if you want to clear your head and everything else. But part of my thing is I just want to learn stuff, and I can't learn because I just can't be bothered to go out and do stuff a lot of the time. Procrastination is the devil's work. So that's it, that's where I'm at. I tend to sit there and think about it instead of just going out and doing it, and I kind of learn by doing, not thinking. So, well, same as everybody else really. It's quite a pointless quote, but yeah, today is that day. So as soon as I get onto the big road, I'll cut and take you to where we're going. But yeah, the Henrhyd Waterfalls, man, it is slippery. I can feel it. Oof. Listen to this. Wow, that visor really pushes the wind right up into my face, so I don't think at speeds you're going to hear me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get us to the waterfalls, and then we'll do a bit more chatting and filming and stuff while I'm there. See you in a bit. Here we go then. The car park. In with the van lifers. Wonder how many people we'll see in their red bikinis with the beanie on today, getting their Instagram shots. Anyway, we're here, so let's have a wander down. So the whole plan with this is to get out, take some photographs, and then hopefully get better at it. You learn by doing, obviously, and I think it's just something else I can bring to the channel rather than just talking crap. You can see how I like progress over time as well, and hopefully that'll sort of show people that, you know, it's just a case of getting out there, doing it and learning, and then going from there. But I've got the camera, I've taken 3 photographs already. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But man, this is quite a steep little descent. I forgot how steep it was, to be honest with you. And my right knee is playing up because of some physical activity I was doing in the new year. So yeah, we'll get there. But yeah, practice. And this is a lovely waterfall as well, so let's get down there and have a look. It's bloody awesome having something like that on your doorstep. Well, I say doorstep, it's pretty close to the house. And I only found it, well, I got shown it a couple of years ago, didn't even know it existed. It's amazing what you've got nearby that you don't even know about. So get out there and explore it. Enjoy it all. So that's it, and that was me out for my first day out using the camera for what it is intended for. I took a few pictures, a bit of videography, a bit of learning, as they say, and oh, I love the sun. And yeah, just a really enjoyable day. It was quite funny with the drone. There was nobody about, and then suddenly there was loads of people out. And then when I put the drone away, some woman handed me a Sony A7S III, which is an absolutely lovely camera, and she actually knew what she was talking about. She's like, "Can you take a picture?" And then she started messing about with the settings, and then I took a load of pictures for her. She said, "Oh, that was a really lovely composition." I didn't know what she meant. We had a bit of a chat anyway. She was really nice, and her dog was lovely as well. And it was just really nice to be out. A bit of a chat with an older gentleman who does paragliding, him and his wife. And he's got the old Super Tenere, which is pretty cool. So again, you meet all sorts of people out on these little adventures. So that for me was a win. I'm really impressed that I've just managed to get out and do what I intended to do, giving myself accountability, really. You know, if I say that I've got to use this now to go out and do things when I can't actually deliver a proper video, then I go out and I just start learning to hone the skills and get better at what I'm doing, because that's inevitably what this is for. It's a hobby, and I love it. For me, that has really given me a good kick today, so I can say that I've won the day by actually going out and doing what I intended for starters, but encountering new people, friendly people, like-minded people as well, and just enjoying it. So I'm going to bring this video to a close. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you can see what I'm kind of trying to do now. It's a little bit different, but you know, I'm not really one for talking and telling stories, because when I'm riding I just forget about what I've done in the past and the funny things. I just kind of want to bring you what I'm doing in the moment and show you how I'm learning. Don't get me wrong, I will get better at telling stories, hopefully, but all in due course. The more you do, the better you get, and that's my plan. So thanks very much for watching. Oh, there's a car, that's all. Thanks very much for watching. I will bring you another video soon.